Assalamualaikum. So today I'm going to tell you the easy way to find out qibla direction. Okay, so let's start. So the first thing you have to do is, you have to find the coordinates of the city you want the qibla direction. So I want the qibla direction, for example, for Karachi, it's in short form. So in Karachi, so first I have to find out the coordinates of Karachi. So let me just search here, Karachi coordinates, and here it comes, and it says that it's 25 degrees north and 67 degrees east. Okay, so says 25 and 67. So it's 25 degrees north and 67 degrees east. Okay. And the next step is you have to find out coordinates of Kaaba. So we come here and we do Kaaba coordinates. And it says that 21 degrees north and 40 degrees east. So it's 21 and 40. So we come here and then 21 degrees north and 40 degrees east. Okay. Now, the next step is you have to subtract 25 from 21. Okay, so let me just change the color, red. So subtract it. Okay, so we'll just subtract them. So 25 minus 21 is 4, and then 4 minus 4. And then we have to divide 4 into 2. So we have to do, so 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So it's 2, so it equals 2. And we'll call this 2x. Okay. The next step is, we'll do it in blue. So the next step is you have to add 25 to 21. You have to add them. So we do 20. So we have to 21. So 25 plus 21 is 46. So right here 46. And then we have to divide 46 into 2. So it's 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 2 threes are 6. So it's equals 23. Okay, and we'll call it y. Okay, now now the next step is you have to subtract 67 from 40. So you have to subtract 67 40. So we'll just do it, and here it's 67 degrees east, 40 degrees east. So it's 67 minus 40. 7 minus 0 is 7. Then 6 minus 4 is 2, so it's 27. And you have to divide it into 2, so it's 13.5. 13.5. And we'll call it y, and we'll call it f. Okay, so we'll call it f. yf, I have explained it in the description. Okay, so it's f. Now the next step is inverse tangent. It's easy. Let me just change the color. And so it's a formula. I'm writing it here, and then we'll do it. So it's inverse tangent. Okay, and then inverse tangent, then brackets, and then we have to do brackets, and then we have to do cos. So let me just write it here. Cos, and then cos x, the number x, and then divide it into sine, and y, and then divided into regular tangent, and then f. Okay, so this is the first formula. So let's just try it here. So let's go to scientific calculator. If you have it in home, it's great, and if you don't have it, you can use it online. This one sometimes messes up the numbers, so do this one. So here. Okay, so first we do inverse tangent, and then brackets, and then cos, and then the value x was, wait a second, so x was, here it is, x, so x was 2, so we come here and say 2, and we close the brackets and then divide it into sine, and then y, so y is 23, so we do it 23, then we'll close the brackets and then we'll divide it into, and then here it's the f, the divided into, and then we do tangent and regular tangent, and then f, so f is 13.5, so here we write it 13.5, and we do the brackets, and then we'll close them all the way, and they say approximately it's 85. Okay, so it's 85. So in this one, let's do a little here. In this one, we are equal 85. Okay, 85 degrees. Okay, the next is, let me just choose the colors, it's right. The next is the same thing. Inverse tangent, okay, brackets, but we will shuffle cos and sine, only cos and sine. No x, y, we won't shuffle x or y or anything, just shuffle them cos and sine, okay? So it will be now sine x divided into cos y divided into tangent, regular tangent f. No, everything will remain the same, only these things will differentiate, okay? So let's do it. So it's inverse tangent, and then brackets, and then first we did cos, so now we are doing sine, and then x, so sine x, and x is 2, so come here and say 2, and then we'll close the brackets, and we will divide it, and now first we did cos, first we did either sine, so now we'll do either cos, then cos, and then the value y, so it's 23, then brackets closed, and then regular tangent f. No, it isn't, it's divided into f, just cos 23, and then divided into regular tangent, and then f is 13.5, and then close the brackets all the way, so it's approximately 9. This one equals 9. Okay, now we will add 85 degrees into 9 degrees, so it's 85, sorry, it's 85 degrees plus plus 9 degrees. Okay, then let's just equal it. So it's 94. So it's 94. Okay, now it's 94 degrees. And it is 94 degrees west, east, north, south. What it is? What is it? So it's 94 degrees west. Okay? And we are coming from north. We are traveling from north to west. Okay? So we are traveling from north to west. So this is the way. Now let's just check it out that did it incorrect. So our answer is 90. Let's just do it back. So our answer is 94 degrees west. Okay, let's see. So we're just coming in Karachi, qibla direction. Karachi, qibla direction. Here and out. Okay, so here it's coming. So here it says that the direction is 267.75, approximately 268 degrees. So it says, let me just do Google in red. Okay, so Google says that it's 268. And you'll be wondering that it was just a waste of time and it's incorrect. Our answer is incorrect. The way is incorrect. Our way is correct because it's the Google is showing the Google is also correct and the internet is also correct and we are also correct. No one is incorrect. Okay, let me show you why I'm saying that. So let me just draw a globe here. So let me just draw a globe here. Okay. Yes. Then let's draw globe. Just guess. Let's see. So globe. Okay. Just ignore this. So from here it's north. This is west. This is south, and this is east. Okay. So in our direction, it's 94 degrees west from north to west. So let me just represent ours black. So we are black. So it's till from here till here it's 90. Then a little more, so it's still here. And this is saying Google is saying 268. Okay, so let's just represent Google. So it was in red. So now Google is moving from north. Both are moving from north. But Google is moving from the way east. So it's moving from the way of east and south and this till here. Okay. So this red represents Google and black represents our. So both are correct. And the proof is that we both are correct is if we add them both. So it will be the whole earth. You can see if circles direction or circles coordinate. So let's just see that. So here we'll plus them both. If it comes in 360 degrees, okay, 1 or 2 degrees doesn't matter. So if it comes in this, so we are correct. Or if it comes anything like 207, so it will be incorrect. Okay, so let's see. So we have 94 plus 268. So let's just go to the calculator. And it's 94, 268. It's 94 94 plus 268 equals, it's 362. So we are correct. I said 1 or 2 degrees doesn't matter. So we are correct. Both are correct. So the answer was 362 degrees. Okay? So it means that we are correct, and this is the correct. It is the correct. Google says correct, and we are also correct. Okay? Thank you.